Now today we are doing question number 4 of exercise 12.1. In fourth A part you can see that question is identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. मीन्स हमको यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सी टर्म्स ऐसी हैं जिनमें x आ रहा है और उसके बाद उस टर्म से कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x को निकालना है. And in B part you can see that it is written identify the term which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. तो in fourth B part we have to identify कि कौन सी ऐसी टर्म्स हैं जिनमें y स्क्वायर आ रहा है और फिर हमें उसका एक कोफिशिएंट भी लिखना है. Now we will solve this one by one. Now this is first part. Now this is first part y square x plus y. So here you can see term containing x is y square x and the coefficient of x in this y square x is y square. Coefficient means x के अलावा जो भी multiplication में होता है वही उसका coefficient कहा जाता है. So y square x is the term containing x and y square is the coefficient of x in y square x. This is fourth second part, term containing x. It is minus 8yx. This term contains x and the coefficient of x here minus 8y, because minus 8y is in multiplication with x. So that's why coefficient of x here minus 8y. Now here term containing x is only x, and here you can see that in x plus y plus z coefficient of x will be only 1, because there is nothing which is multiplied to x and 1 is the factor of every number. That's why coefficient of x will be taken as 1. Now this is fourth part, 5 plus z plus zx. So 5 plus z plus zx, the term containing x is zx and the coefficient of x we can say this is z. As in the previous one we have done same, this is also same. Here the term containing x is zx and the coefficient of x is in zx is z. Now this is fifth part, 1 plus xy. So here you can see three terms are there, 1, x and xy. So here you can see term containing x is, there are two terms, one is x and other is xy. So in comma we have to write x and xy, and the coefficient of x in x will be taken as 1. It will be 1, or in xy it will be y. So this type we have to write coefficient of x whenever there are two terms containing x. Now this is sixth part, 12xy square plus 5. So here term containing x is 12xy square. So here you can see coefficient of x is 12y square. Now this is the seventh part, 7x plus xy square. Now here two terms are there which contains x. First of all 7x and other is xy square. In this you can see that term containing x are 7x and xy square. The coefficient of 7x we can write 7 and the coefficient of xy square will be y square. Now we are doing fourth B part. First question, 8 minus xy square. So here we have to write coefficient. First of all we will write term containing y square. So in this you can see minus xy square is the term which contains y square. Now here coefficient of y square is minus x. Now this is fourth B second part, 5y square plus 7x. Now here term containing y square is 5y square, and the coefficient of y square here is 5. Now this is third part, 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. Now here the terms containing y square is minus 15 xy square and 7y square. There are two terms which contain y square. Now the coefficient of y square in first one is minus 15x, and in the second one is 7. So accordingly you have to do in your maths fair notebooks